December 26th and 27th ice storm after Christmas created a beautiful scene in the forest. So I took a couple of drones out to the Michigan game area near Port Huron and did a couple comparison flights. The flights are very similar, though not identical. The first drone is an Avanta 2, and the second drone was a Mini 4 Pro. Now, both these DJI drones used or shot in 4K, although I didn't pay enough attention to verify. I believe I had them in D-Log-M and then color graded after that, but I can't guarantee that. So take a look and let me know in the comments which drone do you think did the better job of shooting this video. This portion of the video was shot by the Avanta 2. It's definitely more equipped for close-in, low-level flying with trees and branches and whatnot that could show up in the way. This frozen section of river is called Mill Creek, and it runs a long ways and eventually meets the Black River, which we will see here in a few minutes. Had it not been so heavily overcast, the ice coating on the trees would have made quite the scene with sun going through them from a drone's point of view. The massive pines in this area are truly something to behold. This larger river is called Black River, and the bridge you see is for M136, which crosses Black River at this point. this point, we're starting our flight with the Mini 4 Pro. You'll see I take a different route as this drone has exposed propellers and would probably not do well with the low-hanging trees just above Mill Creek. The graffiti you see across the river is actually the abutment for Ford Bridge. This was a one-lane bridge that crossed the Mill Creek on Ford Road. Back when I was a teenager, you could drive across this. Eventually they blocked it off and you could only walk across, and then in time they actually took the bridge out. We are back to approaching Black River and the M136 bridge over Black River. Looking north, upstream on Black River, we can see Ford Dam, sometimes known as Wingford Dam. This dam was built between 1930 and 1939, and it is private, and all the land around it's private, but this is a popular paddling area, so there is a required portage that is accessible in public to get around the dam. During spring thaw or after heavy rain, the area south of the dam becomes a whitewater hazard. We have taken the dive team up to this area and done swiftwater rescue training a couple of different times, and let me tell you, the risk there is huge. You would not want to be in the water beneath that dam in spring thaw or storm conditions. So you've seen video from the Avanta 2 and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Give me a note in the comments below, which one do you think shoots better video? I know I have my opinion, but I want to hear yours. And if you found this video interesting, helpful, or enlightening, please subscribe and push the like button. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed it.